Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Stock Traders, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to take intraday trades using 9 and the 21 EMA crossover. But before I start this video, more than 90% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep coming up with such videos. Now let's get to the video. Okay guys, so now I'll be showing you how you can take trades using the 9 and the 21 EMA crossover. So first I'll be showing you guys how you can take a bullish trade using the 9 and the 21 EMA crossover. So what does the crossover mean? So a crossover simply means when a EMA, when the smaller EMA crosses above or from underneath it, it crosses it, generating a buy or a sell signal. So when the smaller EMA, when the 9 EMA in this case crosses the 21 EMA from below it, from underneath it, it generates a buy signal. And when it crosses it from above it, it generates a sell signal, which indicates that the market is going to take a bearish trend. And when it crosses it from underneath it, it indicates that the market is now going to take a bullish trend, right? So as we can see right here, the 9 EMA has crossed the 21 EMA from underneath it. So which indicates that the market is now going to take a bullish trend. So the point of intersection is also called a buy signal, okay? So now when to take our entry, what is the best entry point in the market? So the buy signal just indicates that the market is now going to take a bullish trend. Now may take a bullish trend. It's not going to, it's actually, it may take a bullish trend, okay? So for the bullish trend confirmation, we have to wait for at least a 5-minute candle to form above the 9 EMA, okay? When the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, we have to wait for at least a 5-minute candle to form above the 9 EMA, which indicates that the trend in the market is now, a very strong trend, okay? So we would enter somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. So we got our buy signal here, and we would enter somewhere around here. As we can see, it is taking support from the 9 EMA. So we would enter somewhere here, okay? So our target price in this strategy, it completely depends on you, but a good target price for a beginner is a 0.50 to a 0.75% target, okay? So these are two achievable targets which a new trader should keep, but a suggestible and a good target to start with is 0.50%, okay? And because, greed is what kills you in the market. So you can't be greedy, and you can't ride the entire trend. So you have to keep a stop loss and a target price must, okay? Keeping a stop loss and a target price is must in any intraday strategy, okay? And your stop loss will be around 0.30%, okay? A 0.30% below the 9 EMA, okay? Your stop loss will be 0.30% below the 9 EMA, which would be somewhere, right here, okay? Which would be somewhere right here. So, sometimes what happens is, it goes down, right? What I have seen in a lot of these EMA trades is that it breaks down, okay? It breaks down and it takes support from around 0.25 points below the market. Below the 9 EMA, and it goes straight back up. So in that case, to not hit your stop loss, a suggestible stop loss could be 0.30% below the 9 EMA, okay? So a stop loss and a target price is must. Okay guys, so now I'll be showing you how you can take a bearish trade or a short selling trade using the 9 and the 21 EMA crossover. So as we can see here, the 9 EMA has cut the 21 EMA from above it, which indicates that the market is now going to take a bearish trend, Okay, so the market now is going to take a bearish trend. So as we can see the sell signal, now when the 9 EMA cuts the 21 EMA, it generates a sell signal, all right? When it was cutting from underneath it, it was a buy signal. When it's cutting from above it, it's called the sell signal. So when the sell signal is generated, it indicates in a bearish trend. So as I said, just after the sell signal being formed, we have to take our entry, because first we have to see if the bearish trend is a strong trend or not. So as we can see, the 5-minute candlestick is taking resistance from the 9 EMA. Okay, as we can see, it is taking resistance from the 9 EMA, which indicates that the bearish trend is a strong trend and it is a confirmed trend. So we decide on entering the market with a short position over here, all right, at this point right here. Okay, and as I said, the target price could be anywhere between 0.50 to 0.75%, and a preferable target price for a beginner trader is 0.50%. As I said, no greedy. Okay, don't get greedy. All right, small gains will get you the success you need. Okay, so don't try to catch all of the trend. Keep a target price and keep a stop loss, right? And as I said, the stop loss has to be 0.30% above the 9 EMA. Okay, as this is a short position above the 9 EMA. If we keep it just above the 9 EMA, so as we can see, this is exactly what I was talking about. So the stock breaks above, all right, goes around 0.14% above, all right, yeah, 1.520% above the 9 EMA, and it comes back down, all right. So this is what we have to avoid. That's why I've taken a lot of trades using these 9 EMA, these crossover trading strategies. So what I've noticed is when the sometimes the stock just gives a sudden breakout, on the top side or on the bottom side, and then it just comes back down, and it follows your trend. It follows your your analysis. So to avoid losing money here, if you would have kept your stop loss somewhere here just above it, you would have lost. You would have hit your stop loss and lost the money, and then you would see this trend coming up and you would be frustrated. So to avoid that, we have to keep a stop loss at least 0.30% above our 9 EMA, and your target price has to be 0.50% to 0.75%, depends on how well you can hold your winning trades. Okay, so guys, this was how you can take a short trade using the 9 and the 21 EMA crossover. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day. Hey guys, so that was it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.